Here we're working on 14.2, so this lesson will help you with your 14.2 homework, and today we're going to be classifying specifically cones and spheres, and you will also be able to identify a solid figure that can be formed from a net. So we're going to be looking at net. What is a cylinder? Well, a cylinder, and it's kind of hard to see from the video, but there's a line here. A cylinder has two circular flat bases. So it has to have how many bases? Two. And they're going to be in the shape of a circle. The other property of it, or attribute, is the surface is going to be curved. Kind of, again, hard to see in this, but it's going to have a curved surface, and there's no points or vertices like we saw in cubes, in prisms and pyramids. So here's another example of a cylinder. Bases are not congruent, but they're both circular, and there's two of them. And again, you can see our surface is a curved surface. Now let's look at a cone. For a cone, it only has to have one circular base, not two, like a cylinder, just one. Again, we have a curved surface, and with a cone, it has one vertex. It comes to a point. A sphere is going to have no bases, no edges, and no vertices, basically like a ball. But remember, it's a 3D object, so it's called a sphere. What are some examples of cylinders, spheres, and cone? Hopefully, when you said sphere, you were thinking like a ball, but also an ornament, a snowman, anything that's circular with no vertices or bases. Here's some examples of our cylinder, cans, paper towel rolls. Remember, it has to have how many bases? Two. And no vertices. And then our cones, some examples of cones. And they even put like a top of a pencil or a crayon is a cone. So now we have a net. How do I look at this and decide, well, what shape is it? Well, you want to look for that. This is your base. And remember, all cylinders and cones have circle bases, but how many bases? One. And then when we take these two ends together, it's going to make our curved surface, and here's our vertice. One base, curved surface, vertice. What is it? It's a cone. Now let's look at this one. Now we have two circles, which will be our bases. These two ends will come together to make our curved surface. Two bases, curved surface, no vertices, again here. Two circle bases, curved surface. What does it make? A cylinder. And that's it. If I went too fast or you have trouble on your homework, rewind and rewatch. That's the great thing about these videos. All right, fifth graders, great job. See you later.